Welcome to Positive Electricians, where we light up your life with quality and professionalism. At Positive Electricians, our mission is simple: to provide reliable and efficient electrical solutions for your home and business. Our team of certified professionals is committed to delivering exceptional service every time. Whether it's upgrading your lighting, installing EV chargers, or performing safety inspections, we use the latest technology and adhere to the highest safety standards. Our customers are at the heart of everything we do. We pride ourselves on our transparent pricing, timely service, and customer satisfaction. At Positive Electricians, our skilled team is more than just technicians. We're your partners in ensuring a safe and energy-efficient environment. Ready to experience the difference? Contact Positive Electricians today for all your electrical needs. Let's brighten up your world together. Positive Electricians, your trusted partner for a brighter tomorrow. Visit us at positiveelectricians.com or call or text 844-411-0240 for a free quote today. Like and follow.